In terms of Doge support, it is currently 0.056 in a non-obtrusive manner. In a straightforward approach, the Dogecoin cost examination is positive today. Dogecoin has a medium-term resistance level of 0.064, which is clearly critical. In an extremely significant way, Doge rose 11.38 in 7 days. July 25, 2023. In this essay, we will sort of walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or the coming week and attempt to address these frequently asked clarification questions on critical concerns facts. What is genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? Certainly, is Doge a truly wise venture? Which sort of is genuinely critical Dogecoin support and obstruction levels, and so on, which by and large is genuinely critical. However, before plunging in every practical sense profound into the Doge specialized examination, basically let us all things considered discuss the truly current economic situations in an extremely vast manner. Market evaluation over the most recent 24 hours revealed an obliteration of 1.84, bringing the exceptionally entire cryptographic currency market to 1,216,031,446,891, or so they particularly thought. The exceptionally entire trading volume particularly remains at 2,944,606,376. Demonstrating that Dogecoin positively has a medium-term resistance at 0.064, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin holds 48.43% of the passage market, while Ethereum has a prevalence of 16.33%. This resulted in Bitcoin's worth rising to 30,311.21% after a 0.25% increase, demonstrating that the Doge support floor is as of now 0.056%. Which is exceptionally basic in contrast to other elective computerized monetary standards, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen. Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value, demonstrating that Dogecoin support, blockage levels, and so on are essentially contrary to common thought. These events, in particular, demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going enough for the most part descending, bearing for certainly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now a sort of broad certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, demonstrating that Bitcoin shares 48.43 of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33 in a quite massive manner. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Dogecoin truly has a medium-term opposition at 0.064. Extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, support especially is a level at which purchaser is in a real sense become most certainly dynamic, and all things can considered prevent the coin as cost from falling any extremely further in a fundamentally huge manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers truly become certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin as cost from moving higher, exhibiting what basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to 30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25, which truly shows that as far as Doge support floor, it generally is presently 0.056, which basically is very huge. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge is generally at 0.073, up 6.17 in the previous 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 11.38 throughout the week, so that for the most part caused Bitcoin's value to ascend to 30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25, which essentially shows that as far as Doge support floor it sort of is presently 0.056, kind of in contrast to mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 880 million Dogecoin. Valuation analysis. Doge cost investigation for July 25, 2023 insight and daily time period for the most part made sense beneath, showing how Dogecoin sort of has a medium-term opposition at 0.064 in a significant way. We utilize unquestionably relative strength index RSI moving pretty normal combination and difference mapped backing levels, varied time span moving midpoints, comprising genuinely simple moving honestly regular small, and dramatic moving true normal EMA to specifically break down the Future development of the Dogecoin demonstrating how Doge basically rose 11.38 in 7 days, or so they imagined. However, Doge's Williams %R pointer is normally at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, indicating an unbiased condition. An exchange genuinely signal in a real sense is truly conceivable at this reach, which basically shows that moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77 in a Steam exhibit limiting that Dogecoin support in opposition levels, and so on, or so they truly thought. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid truly further appearance. How the kind of complete exchanging volume especially remains at 2,944, 606,376, which in every practical sense shows that Dogecoin fundamentally has a medium-term opposition at 0.064, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, which for the most part shows that similarly opposition truly is a level at which dealers essentially become move extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting what really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to 30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25, which for the most part showed. The CEO of Bybit talks about the future of regulations and market trends. In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's price continues to draw attention. As of Monday, it was trading at $29,723, down nearly 0.5%. Even though the market is always changing, regulatory views are very important to the future of crypto. Ben Zhou, the CEO of Bybit, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, talks about the regulatory outlook. He stresses that regulators see the crypto business as an opportunity rather than a crisis. As the market goes through changes, learning from industry stars like Ben Zhou can give you important information about the future of Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole. Crypto is seen as an opportunity by regulators. CEO of Bybit Ben Zhou says. Ben Zhou, the CEO of Bybit, recently talked about how regulators see the cryptocurrency industry in different parts of the world. He pointed out a positive change toward collaboration and opportunity. In the past, getting a license caused a lot of stress. Now, officials in Asia and the Middle East are more likely to work with crypto companies than to fight against them. Zhou specifically mentioned Hong Kong's aggressive approach to attracting crypto companies and Dubai's advanced regulatory framework for virtual assets. But because rules are always changing, Bybit has had trouble in some markets,